Instead of making lists of users who will always be recipients of an incident, we can use profiles to be more flexible about who can see the incident. When profiles are created, the administrators decide who can be a member of the profile and which incidents are associated with that profile. If you're a member of a profile and you have it selected, you'll see any active incidents of the types associated with that profile. You can have more than one profile active at a time. If you have profiles set up on your system, you'll see the Profile button next to the Filter button on the top of your incident monitoring task. To change profiles, just click on the profile icon and you can select one or more profiles to be a member of. This will adjust your incident list based on the ones you have selected. When you're selecting your profiles, bear in mind that having nothing selected and having everything selected does exactly the same thing. With nothing selected, you're basically saying you don't want to restrict the list based on a profile, and you want to see everything. If you need to change from one profile to another, for example from the Facilities Team profile to the Security Team profile, you will now only see the incident types that are associated to the Security Team. However, if you're the owner of an incident that is not in one of the profiles you have now selected, we don't want to just abandon the incident, so you'll still be able to see that incident until you close it or release ownership. Once you select a number of profiles, you will now see how many profiles you are part of by the number next to the Profile button. There are several ways you can be assigned profiles. The way we just looked at is if you have the permission to modify the profiles you belong to yourself. This may be something that's assigned to the Operations Center supervisor, or it can be assigned on an automatic basis. If your supervisor has control, they will choose which profiles you will be a part of. For automatic assignment, anyone who has access to a profile will be assigned to it.